Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with your chart of the day from StockMarketMentor.com. I want to take a quick look here at Uber. This is ticker UBER. Now, Uber is at an interesting spot here. As we can see, Uber is back near some recent highs. This level on Uber is a certain level of resistance that the stock has battled against for a long time. Even back here in February of 2024, this level has been resistance. And here we are in 2025, and it's slamming up against resistance again. And so I think this stock is at a turning point where it has an opportunity to potentially break out of this clear level of resistance and potentially make a new high, getting above this previous high from October of last year. So I would look for Uber to get above and stay above, let's say $82, move above that level, close above that zone, and do it on volume. So I'm going to set an alert right here on Uber, right at $82, and look for that strong move through coming on volume. Now, I think that could be an actionable trade idea as long as it holds up above that resistance. I think you can buy this stock. So look for this to move up above that level, and then you'll want to use that 82 level as your support zone, at least on a momentum trade. Now, this stock could very well just consolidate right under $82. That would be healthy as well. And then you're still using that level as your trigger, but then moving a stop down to right there. So two different potential setups here on Uber that we're watching to play out over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. If you'd like to see more, take a trial of our premium service. Click that link, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.